Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices share the same network. Use 5 GHz if available because it reduces lag. Once done, open TV Cast and accept permissions for local network and media files so the app can discover your TV. Make sure the TV is set to the matching input or the receiver app is running. After that, tap the app's Discover or Cast button to list available receivers. You're initiating the connection, not streaming yet. You now select the TV receiver shown in the app. If a pairing code appears on screen, enter it to secure the link. Next, pick your source, stream from an app, cast a browser tab, or browse a local file, because each source uses slightly different buffering. Then choose resolution and quality to balance clarity and stability, lower quality for weak Wi-Fi. Use the in-app transport controls to start, pause, and seek while the TV handles playback to reduce device battery use. You finish by tapping disconnect or stop in TV Cast so the TV can return to its input. Closing the app fully ensures background streaming halts. If video glitches or stutters, switch to 4 GHz or drop resolution. This reduces bandwidth strain. If discovery fails, reboot the TV and phone, check router settings, and temporarily disable VPN or firewall rules that block local discovery. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.